Hello friends and welcome to our channel Astrologia, where we share the divine knowledge of Vedic Jyotish. I Manjushri welcome you all to our channel Astrologia. Friends, in our series of Rashis, by now we have covered the first 10 Rashis of the zodiac so far. That is from Aries to Capricorn. Now moving forward, we shall discuss the 11th sign, which is a Tamasic sign. It is a fixed air sign of the zodiac, the most mysterious sign, Aquarius. The tattva or element of this sign is air. The other two air signs which we have already covered are Gemini, which is a dual air sign, and Libra, which is a movable air sign. Friends, Aquarius represents the calves, ankle and legs of the Kalpurush. It is the most enigmatic, mysterious, intellectual sign of the zodiac. Aquarius is ruled by an airy planet, Saturn. Friends, Saturn denotes all old things like traditions, conventions, mindsets, ideologies and belief systems which are fixed. Saturn in Aquarius represents the male side and relentlessly pushes one towards the final goal. Then compared to Leo, also a fixed sign ruled by a fiery planet, Sun. It denotes the willpower of an individual. The slogan for Leo is I will. Aquarius on the other hand is I know. The symbol for Aquarius is a pitcher of water known as Kumbha in Sanskrit. The pitcher represents ego and water gives life. It can turn base metal into gold through a purification process. Kumbha is associated with Kumbhaka, which relates to prana, a kind of breathing exercise in yogic practice. This exercise helps in synchronizing the breath through inhalation and exhalations. The control over our breath helps us to control our life. Symbolically, it indicates that we understand the secret of life and death through breath regulation. Alternate symbol for Aquarius is a man holding a pot of water, the water bearer. Sometimes we only see a tilted pot of water flowing out, but we do not see the entire content of the pot. It makes Aquarius sign a mysterious sign. There is one more symbol for Aquarius, the two lines in a form of waves, which signifies that all things in the universe travel in the form of waves. That is, example, radio waves, sound waves, etc. At this stage of cosmic evolution, the water bearer symbolizes the unification of the individual with the universal life force. The native thus understands true life purpose, which in turn activates the crown chakra, giving knowledge of the cosmic plan. An Aquarian native is very comfortable in group settings. They enjoy social interaction, value friendship, etc. They understand the importance of working in a group and they tend to become dominating sometimes. The interest of the group is of utmost importance for an Aquarian native. They are content being a part of a social structure, as Aquarius is a socially orientated sign. Prominent Aquarians can become radical reformers of a society. They like to share or give to others from their own gains, which makes them a philanthropist. They believe in changing the society as a whole and not just one individual. It is the individualistic sign and has a strong sense of commitment to what it believes in. One cannot force an Aquarian to follow the conventional traditions. Friends, moving forward, now let us find out some more significations of Aquarius sign. The symbol is Kumbh, a man holding a pot of water. The picture holding water. Another symbol is two lines in the form of waves, that is two wavy lines. Number associated is 11. Ruler is Saturn and Rahu. Element is air. Gender is male, guna is tamasic, dosha is vata, quality is fixed, nature is masculine and fixed. Now let us find out the nakshatras in Aquarius. Two parts of Dhanishta nakshatra, complete Shatabisha nakshatra, first three parts of Purva Bhadrapad nakshatra. There is no planet that exalts or debilitates in the sign of Aquarius, but it is the moon trikona sign of Saturn. Friends, planets being the concentration of life force, they influence the sign in which they are placed in and also get influenced by the characteristics of the sign. Each planet radiates certain vibrations and makes an impact on the particular zodiacal field where they are placed in. Now, grahas placed here tend to act for higher causes rather than personal gains. The chart needs to be seen holistically. Now, Sun in Aquarius is fine, but one should not become too self-centered. Moon and Mercury in Aquarius sign can make one a good researcher, scientist, etc. The Moon in Aquarius can make a person intuitive. Saturn in Aquarius, being its own sign, makes a person take responsibility. One tends to work towards his duty. Venus in Aquarius tends to go towards friendship rather than love. Mars in Aquarius finds social expression in this sign. Jupiter placed in Aquarius sign is fine as Jupiter is socially oriented. Friends, now let us find out careers best suited for Aquarius sign. They can be good researchers, scientists, inventors, technologists, futuristic studies, films, civil rights, nuclear physics, telephone, archaeology, TV, radio, gambling, atomic power, hypnotist, astrologers, aeroplane industry, human rights, dealers in medical appliances, excavation and digging, aviation, etc. So friends, today we learnt about the sign of Aquarius. Next in our series, we shall discuss the dual water sign, the sign in which Venus gets exalted, the final sign of the zodiac, namely Pisces. Friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button, do subscribe to our channel for more updates and press the bell icon to be the first to see our videos as soon as they are posted. And do share your comments. Friends, if you want us to make a video on any particular topic of astrology, you may mention it in the comment section. This is Manjushri Verma signing out. Thank you for watching.